Hi guys, it's Tony again, bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Homepride classic recipe curry cooking sauce. Alright, the nation's #1 apparently, so we're going to let the camera focus in so you can see what's in there. Again, a lot of people who watch these videos shop online, so they like to see what they're getting before they actually commit to a purchase of it. Alright, so this is a 400-gram tin. Let's get it open. More and more of us are shopping online now, so it's handy to watch these videos. Please subscribe and like if you like this type of thing. It really does help me out. Alright, so open the tin on inspection. Okay. What I'm proposing to do is just add it purely onto the rice. So I have some rice here. The reason I'm just going to add it to rice is because I'm not adding any chicken. I'm having it without, which seems odd, but not really, not for me, because ironically enough, sort of as I don't like eating chicken. Right, so I'm going to put that in the microwave now. Okay guys, it's pretty much cooked, so I'm going to take a taste. And the sauce itself, just with the rice, nothing added. Yeah. First thing I'd taste is, and I know it hasn't got chicken in and stuff like that, but it's just really bland. I know what you mean, Homepride and everything else, but it just tastes nothing really. It's just like a basic curry, you know. You know me, you're meant to add stuff to it, but as it is on its own, I don't recommend that at all. The nicest curry sauce I had was Mayflower, and there is a nice curry sauce. So if this is the nation's favourite, then the nation must be crackers, or they haven't tasted better, because Mayflower sinks this all day long. But yeah, I thought I'd show you it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.